Hello friends, I will introduce to you about myself. I am Mr. Robert D'Souza. I have completed my commerce examination, that is degree in commerce, and also I have passed the technical examination which is conducted by the government of Karnataka, that is proficiency grade in shorthand and typewriting. Besides my qualification, I worked in various capacities in commerce institutions as well as in university college and also as examiner in technical examination board and board of studies member in University of Bangalore. So this is my self introduction. Coming to the importance of shorthand. Shorthand is nowadays very familiar and very interesting, and it is also easy to study. After completing your shorthand, you can work in various capacities. For example, reporter in state assemblies as well as court, and stenographer or personal secretary or secretary in various government departments as well as private establishments, and especially nowadays it is very useful in Gulf countries. After completing your shorthand, you can devote more time towards this subject because it is very interesting, and not only interesting, you are accustomed to study this subject even after completing, that is by using various methods. Those methods I will tell you in the course of time, that is in my various lessons. Now, coming to the subject shorthand, that is introduction. Shorthand was invented by Sir Isaac Pitman during the year 1837. In 1840, he published his second edition under the title Phonography. Phonography is a Greek word. Phono means sound and graphy means writing. So, in English, we are talking certain words. For example, write, that is WRITE, but pronunciation is, initial sound is R, so here W is silent. So, the definition of shorthand depends mainly on sound writing, that is, according to sound, we have to write the sign. So this is, and in shorthand there is basic principles, and these basic principles if you study, then you can easily remember how to proceed further and further and further. During my next lesson, I will tell you the basic principles of Pitman's shorthand.